Welcome to the Bachelor of Management program. We're Management Career Services, and we're here to provide you with career development services and support throughout your time at Dalhousie University. Whether or not you have an idea of which industry you'd like to pursue after graduation, MCS is well connected to employers across industries, sectors, and locations, and we have the resources and services you need to become career ready. If you're planning to work part-time during your schooling or you want to start strategizing on how to land your first post-grad job, MCS is here to help. You will have access to a career and recruitment specialist you can meet with for resume feedback, interview practice, industry expertise, and more. Don't wait until fourth year to take advantage of our services. Learn how you can get the most out of your degree by participating in work-integrated learning to build professional skills while you're still in school through the optional internship program, allowing you to graduate on time with 8 months of relevant paid work experience.
When students have the opportunity to participate in internships, they gain real-world, hands-on experience. This is extremely valuable as it gives them the opportunity to learn about different career options, apply their education and experience, and use that to decide the best path for themselves. These experiences will help shape who they will be in the professional world.
We absolutely love working with DAL students because they come ready to learn, adapt, and then lead. They bring new ideas and perspective. At Seed, we have seen them grow into confident contributors and then help us build better campaigns for the entrepreneurs we serve. It's totally a rewarding process for them and for us. They gain hands-on experience and we gain bold thinkers who challenges us to create and innovate. That's why we keep coming back to this program.
MCS has a wide range of resources you can access on our website. And keep an eye on the My Career event calendar for employer information and networking events that will help you build your professional network and gain knowledge in a variety of industries. Stay up to date by following us on Instagram and LinkedIn and by reading our weekly e-newsletter.